Hi, my name's David Sheppard from Hurst Land Rover in Belfast. Today I'd like to take a few minutes of your time to tell you about the fantastic offers we have on the two Velars behind me. Our first model we have is the Velar R-Dynamic 240 SE, finished in premium metallic silicone silver. This vehicle has the Ebony Leather Interior. This car just has over 8,384 miles on the clock. A few options on the vehicle also: 20-inch alloy wheels, deployable door handles, heated seats and a sliding panoramic roof. This vehicle is $49,995 with a massive saving of nearly £12,000 against the cost new. The second vehicle we have is the Velar D300 SE, finished in metallic Santorini black with Ivory leather interior. There is just over 7,600 miles on the vehicle. A few options the car has is 20-inch alloy wheels, panoramic roof, rear parking camera and the impressive dual touchscreens in the centre console. This car is $49,955 with a saving of over £11,600 against the cost of a new vehicle. If you like what you've seen in the video, you're more than welcome to come down and test drive the vehicles here on the Boucher Road at our brand new state-of-the-art JLR showroom.